Good morning, dear children. Today I am going to take new lesson. The name of the lesson is Be My Multiple and I Will Be Your Factor. Children, in this lesson you will know about multiple and about factor, right? So let us understand what is multiple. For that we will read that story, The Mouse and the Cat. The hungry cat is trying to catch Kunjan the mouse. Kunjan is now on the 14th step and it can jump 2 steps. Here you can see in the picture Kunjan is standing on the 14th step and at a time it can jump 2 steps forward, right? The cat is on the 3rd step. She can jump 3 steps at a time. Here in this picture you can see cat is standing on 3rd step and at a time she jumps 3 steps forward. Okay, if the mouse reaches 28 it can hide in the hole. Find out whether the mouse can get away safely. अब आपको ये पता लगाना है कि माउस क्या कैट से बच पाएगा. ओके, तो चलो हम लोग देखते हैं. द स्टेप ऑन विच द माउस जंप. चिल्ड्रन, यू कैन सी माउस स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम 14 and it moves 2 steps forward. So next step will be 16, then 18, then 20, then 22, then 24, 26 and 28. This is the steps of mouse. Now let us see the steps on which the cat jumps. The cat is standing on 3rd. The next step will be 6. 3 steps forward she is jumping. Then 9, then 12, then 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. Right. Now 3rd is the steps on which both the cat and the mouse jump. Here are the steps on which rat and cat jump. Now you have to find out the steps on which both the cat and the mouse jump. So here on which step both they jump together? This is 18 and this is 80. And here 24 and 24. So on 18 and 24 they both jump. Okay, it means they meet on 18 and they meet on 24. So there is no scope of getting away. So what you will write? Can the mouse get away? No, the mouse cannot get away because on 18 the cat will catch the rat. Okay, children, here you can see this is multiple of 2. 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26 and 28. These are the multiple of 2. And if you divide this number by 2, it will be divided completely. If you divide 14 by 2, completely divided. 16 completely divided. 18 completely divided. Okay. Similarly, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. These are the multiple of 3. And this 3 is divided by 3. 6 is also divided by 3 completely. 9 is also divided by 3 completely. So children, the multiples are the multiples of a number is exactly divisible by the number. Okay, what is multiple? Multiple of a number is exactly divisible by the number, and we can get multiple by multiplying the number with counting number. Okay, now let us see multiple of a number. You get multiple of any number, you will write number and then multiplied by counting number. For example, here you can see, if you have to find out multiple of 4, you will write 4 and then multiply it by counting number. Counting numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. Okay, so here I have multiplied 4 by 1, 2 and 3. So we have got 3 multiples of 4, that is 4, 8 and 12 are the multiple of 4. And these numbers are completely divisible by 4. Okay. Here, as I told you, a multiple of a number is exactly divisible by the number, and it is obtained by multiplying the number by 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Here the multiple of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20 and so on. Okay. Now, let us know what are the properties of multiple. Children, every number is a multiple of itself. If you find out the multiple of 2, 2 multiplied by 1, first multiple is 2. Similarly, if you will find out the multiple of 5, first multiple of 5 is 5. So, every number is a multiple of itself. Right? Second property, a number has unlimited multiple. Children, if you multiply the number by counting number, you will get many multiples. Means you cannot count them. It is countless, unlimited. Okay. The third property is every number is a multiple of 1. If you see the table of 1, in one's table every number is coming. So every number is a multiple of 1. The multiple of a number are either greater than or equal to the number. For example, if I am taking 3, what is the first multiple of 3? 3. What is the second multiple of 3? 6. Third multiple 9. Fourth multiple 12. So the fourth property says the multiple of a number are either greater than, if you see this number is greater than this or equal to this, equal to the number. Okay. Now, next property says every multiple of a number is exactly divisible by that number. This rule, this property I had told you before. Here, if you see the multiple of 4, first multiple is 4, second is 8, third is 12. If you divide this by 4, because it is a multiple of 4, so it can be divided completely. Okay, children, hope all the properties are clear to you all. So, learn these properties and learn the method to find out multiples. How can we get the multiple? To get the multiple, we will write the number multiplied by counting number. Suppose if we have to find out the fifth multiple of 4, so we will multiply 4 by 5 and we will get 20. So fifth multiple of 4 is 20. Okay, so revise it once again. Children, please watch video carefully to understand the topic. Okay, thank you and have a good day.